Worry less about the threat. In other words, catching the flu is less about your exposure to the influenza virus and much more to do with how your immune system is and what state it's in when you are exposed to the influenza virus. And I love talking about this in Florida because all of us can relate. I live on the east coast of Florida, so everyone here at least has heard of hurricanes coming through from South Florida. Some of us have actually experienced them. Imagine, where would you like to be during a hurricane? On a houseboat or in a storm shelter? Not a really difficult question to answer, right? Storm shelter. I want to be near where there's concrete block, if there's, flat roofs, so that I'm protected. So the analogy then is about the host. If your immune system is nice and strong, it doesn't really much matter. You don't have to pay attention as much to whether there's some sort of bacteria out there, or there's some viral issue that you have to, be aware of, or parasite issue. It's less about trying to figure out, well, I've got to take an antifungal or antibacterial or do things of that nature, versus just strengthening the host. If your host or body is strong, there's less worry about the threat. An example of that, by the way, is if you think about, all of us carry E. coli in our system currently, every single one of us, yet we're not all experiencing food poisoning, correct? We all have yeast in our bodies, yet all of us are not experiencing fungal issues. And every single one of us develops cancer cells every single day. Yet we don't all develop full-blown cancer. Why? Because your immune system, the strength of it, keeps those things at bay. What the immune system is designed to do? Protect us against infection, disease, right? Issues. It helps the body resist disease. It's a network of cells, there's tissues, there's organs. It's not just one thing. It's not like your heart is just one thing, or your brain is just one thing. It's an intricate network of cells and tissues and organs that all help us in that focus. Now, there's also chemicals in the immune system that the immune system uses to fight off certain pathogenic microorganisms, like certain chemicals that actually destroy tumor cells in our body.